So I got it from Nafgan, they got it from an anonymous source, Afayette 212. It looks legit in my opinion, so let's get to it. The starter set will be £80, and that's definitely a bargain. It includes the core manual, which will be £25 if you buy it alone, 8 frames of the new Sector Imperialis, 2 times 10 models worth around £48 alone, a double-sided board, fluff pamphlets, and faction-specific tactics and card counters. The Killzone expansions will be £50, and the Sector Mechanicus expansion includes 8 frames of terrain, the Ferrotonic Incinerator, Alchemite Stacks, and Thermic Plasma Conduits, worth £87.50. It also comes with a board and some terrain-specific missions. Again, a bargain. The faction-specific team expansions will be £37.50, including terrain worth £25 to £30, 5 models worth £15.50, faction-specific tactics, card counters, and rules for using the terrain in your games. Less impressive price. You still save some, but if you want to play Adeptus Astartes in the Sector Imperialis Killzone, you don't really have any use for the terrain, or if you already have the miniatures and just want the faction-specific tactics. And our starter box only include 5 models, so you will still have to buy more miniature sets before you're able to play. The Sector Imperialis Ruins will be £22.50, Administratum will be £30, Basilicanum, yes, it's a set with the awesome looking statues, will be £60, and Sanctum will be £45. The blank data cards will be £10 and the carry case £22.50. What do you think of these prices? Do we believe them to be legit, and are they fair? Let me know below. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.